Hi, it's Emily from WTA. My husband and I are building an overlanding trailer this summer, and we knew that we wanted a really high quality 12-volt fridge slide mounted to the base so that we could have access to cold food through all of our camping adventures. A convenient, high quality slide is the key to making that work in your camp kitchen. And we found that this one from F40C4TMP fit the bill. This fridge slide can hold up to 110 pounds. It's compatible with a lot of different models, but what I found really especially nice was that in the listing, it describes exactly the footprint that your 12-volt fridge can be. That way we knew that we picked the right fridge for the slide. The most important measurement to get is the width, because conveniently, this slide actually adjusts front to back to make sure that you have a nice, tight, secure fit for the length of your fridge and it's not sliding around on the slide. We also appreciated that this has a very nice locking feature so that we know that it stays securely in when the fridge is completely pushed in and locked. This fridge slide base came with a variety of holes for mounting so that we could adjust it to where we needed to mount it on the base of our trailer. It also came with 12 M8 4-jaw nuts and 12 M8 20mm screws that worked to secure this extremely well. My husband did the installation of this, and he said that the instructions were great and that it was really easy to install. If you've set up the back of your SUV for overlanding, or maybe you're building an overlanding trailer, then you know that a really nice fridge slide is so helpful to make your camping experience more convenient. I think this one is an awesome choice, but that's my point of view.